Your heart tells you big things in little ways, so don't forget to listen. One day soon, if not already, there will be a dream planted in your heart. One that seems beyond your current capacity to hold on to. And that is where new journeys always begin. What we want most wants us back. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. We can begin again at any given moment. We can start over in the very next breath. So let's do that together today. Take a moment to get comfortable and close your eyes. Allow your breath to be easy, flowing in its natural rhythm. Feeling how your body rises on the inhale and falls on the exhale. An ebb and flow that takes place so naturally that you barely even notice it. The process of a new start is actually very familiar to you. Your cells are always replenishing. Your skin sheds and regenerates. And all of these things happen easily and effortlessly. So let that be a reminder that beginning again is familiar, and it comes natural to you. And knowing this changes everything. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, I want you to bring something to the front of your mind. Just one thing that would be the first step down this new path. How would it feel? Take a deep breath in and out. Never stop trusting the magic of your intuition. As long as it makes sense to you, it makes sense. New beginnings are about discovery. Listening to the silent whispers from your own heart. They're about identifying what it is you want and then letting yourself have it. Take another deep inhale through the nose as the first new breath of this beautiful journey begins. And as you exhale, let go of any lingering fears or doubts. You are ready for this. And it's ready for you. Take a final deep breath in and gently open your eyes as you exhale. And remember, your heart tells you big things in little ways, so don't forget to listen. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.